why gold is the ultimate safe haven during economic uncertainty. Hello and welcome to FX Titan. Gold has been called the ultimate safe haven for centuries, and in today's uncertain economy, it's more relevant than ever. If you're a beginner wondering why gold is so powerful in forex trading and how to profit from it, this video is for you. When markets are unstable, investors look for assets that hold their value. Gold is one such asset because it's not tied to any single country or economy. This is why gold often rises during inflation or political uncertainty. For beginners, trading gold against the US dollar is a great place to start. For example, when inflation reports suggest the dollar may weaken, you often see gold rising. In our Telegram group, you get real-time signals like buy gold/USD at 1,920 to take profit at, say, 1,950. Ready to trade gold like a pro? Join our free Telegram group for signals, mentoring, education, support, and so on and so forth. Don't forget to subscribe to FX Titans, that's this channel, for more beginner-friendly forex tips. See you in the next video.